All right, everybody. I am here bringing you the massive amplifiers that I took delivery of probably a week ago. So these things, I mean, if you know anything by now about the ultra high end, you should know what these are. So these are Gryphon Apex monoblocks. And what's great about the Gryphon Apex brand, founded in 1985 in Denmark by Fleming, who I met at the 2026 Munich show. Actually, who I met at the 2022 Munich show. Really nice guy. I fell in love with Gryphon when I bought the Diablo integrated that they had. That's my first love affair with Gryphon. And then, of course, as it happens to be, I ended up buying other amplifiers and eventually landed on their flagship, the Gryphon Apex monoblock. So for those of you who have no idea what this is, that's what this video is about. We're gonna get to see what this type of equipment looks like. Let's open. These are the stands for the Gryphon Apex. Yes, they have to sell you custom stands because of how massive the amplifiers are. Now, these are not new amplifiers. I want to make sure you guys understand that, okay? They're not new, they're used, so they're gonna have some scuff marks, but let's get this rolling. Let's see. And they are really well. All right, let's see what these things look like. I actually have never owned the Gryphon stands before. It's the first time I see them in person. But what's cool about these stands is they have the form factor that fits, of course, the massive amplifier. And they bring this special cloth that you're seeing on your screen, which makes the process really easy. Basically what you do is you put this stand right behind the Gryphon Apex, and then this particular cloth literally makes it easy for you to, with one finger, push the Apex onto the stand. It's a really cool process. I'm excited to see these things. Never seen them before. Oh, wow, they're in spectacular shape. I'm actually surprised how good in the condition that they're in. They look really good. Really good condition. See, here's something else I want to tell my viewers. Okay, camera guy, come here. I want to show you gear. I want to show everybody this. See this here? See these cuff marks? See these scratches here? Okay, do you see all of this? Do you see this here, right? All right. Anytime you buy used stands, furniture, this is inevitable. It's impossible for you to get a stand in immaculate condition because they have wear and tear, okay? This is normal. So if you're out there looking for secondhand stands, racks, any type of hi-fi furniture, okay, and it's used, this should not be like a reason why you don't buy the product. Why don't you buy the stand? That happens, especially with an amplifier of this caliber. Okay, the Gryphon Apex is just huge. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's that big. It's just huge. It's massive, okay? And that's what you need for an amplifier of this caliber. Let me see if I can just place it right here. Hopefully the next buyer is not gonna be flipping because I placed the stand on here. Okay, so let's get to work. Kudos to Gryphon for these crates. Kudos to them. I love the crates. It's like a Lego, basically. Okay, this is like a Lego. All you take is take off these clips, and basically, little by little, the box begins to disassemble. Voila. Wow, okay. So it brings you the instructions, gloves, 2 pairs of gloves that have never been touched, okay? And the beautiful manual. I like the manual in the feel, the texture of the manual. where it talks about the company, the Gryphon name, okay? And it gives you some nice images, including those of the factory in Denmark. I actually would love to go to the factory in Denmark and see how they make this massive amplifier, just to understand what it takes to build a 450-pound amplifier. These power cords, okay, come with the Gryphon Apex. Now, that's the only amplifier in the Gryphon lineup that has aftermarket power cords. These are the Vanta series power cords. I've used this successfully. If I'm being honest with you, I don't see a reason why you would embark on buying 4 power cords in the case of 2 monos, because they use 2 power cords per mono. I don't see a reason why you would want to buy aftermarket power cords. That doesn't mean that the amplifier couldn't get better. A good power cord is going to run you approximately $6,000, and that's on the low end. In the ultra high end, times 4, that's $24,000 on power cords. I just simply don't recommend it. I'd say stick to what Gryphon gives you, because quite frankly, they do a very good job. These power cords do a fantastic job with the Gryphon Apex. So let's put that aside. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Look at the Gryphon amplifier here, how massive it is. Do you see something over there? Do you see the truck? Do you see the resemblance? That's me, man. That's my style, okay? Maybe one day I'm gonna go to $80 10-watt amplifiers in the future. For now, I don't feel like it. So we're gonna show you why I'm a fan of this incredible amplifier. In the meantime, I would appreciate if you all hit that like button, please. Subscribe to the channel, okay? I appreciate all your support. My rooms, by the way, are about 2.5 weeks away from finally opening. Fingers crossed that the panels make it from Portugal. They shipped from Portugal last week. The remaining panels should be here in about 10 days. And hopefully my contractor can come in here and knock that out of the park in 1 full day. And then we can start bringing this level of electronics into those sound rooms. Look at these. Voila. What an amazing looking power amplifier from Gryphon. The Gryphon Apex monoblock. What an amazing looking power amplifier. Cost no object from Denmark. That's what we have here. This is what cost no object looks like. The Gryphon Apex has been one of the best power amplifiers I've had the pleasure of owning. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug it into this outdoor outlet. Gryphon Apex monoblock. All right. If you are looking for ultra high-end audio gear like this, make sure you check out my website, jaysaudiolab.com, please. If you got anything you want to trade me in, let's put together a deal. Send me a message. If you want to do a consultation with me to elevate your system to the next level, you know what to do. You can do that through my website, jaysaudiolab.com. First power cord. Second power cord. And we are going to go in here. There you go. And it's starting to turn on. It's so bright out. I love it. The Gryphon Apex. Man. What a glorious piece of equipment. This makes you feel like so proud of what you have. There you go. So you are looking at it. Look at the settings there. I don't know if the camera is able to capture that, but it's on medium bias, as you can see. And look at this. Ta-da! Surprise compartment. They give you fuses, spare fuses for you to use in case you blow a fuse or two. Gryphon has you covered. Okay? Are you guys excited to finally hear this level of equipment in my room? Where else are you going to get to see some of the best power amplifiers that money can buy? Only here at Jay's Audio Lab, this YouTube channel. And before I forget, I will be displaying the recently released Gryphon Antillean Revelation. Yes, it will make its way into my listening rooms, hopefully in about 2 months. She'll get my review, my unbiased opinion about Gryphon's latest creation, the Antillean, an amplifier, by the way, that has been known to be probably the darker child of the lineup. I like the Antillean for many different reasons. It is not at the level of resolution of the Apex, but I'm going to tell you the Antillean is probably one of the easiest amplifiers to live with. It's just a very, I want to call it analog. I can't think of a better term other than analog. It's a warmer sound that has the notorious Gryphon grip on the low registers and beautiful mids. That's one of the biggest strengths of the Gryphon Antillean. But I'm curious now to know what this new Antillean Revelation is going to do. It gained 15 pounds, by the way. This new Antillean Revelation is 15 pounds heavier than the Antillean Evil. Although on the outside it may look like it's the same, it really is not 100% the same internally. So stay tuned for that, because you're going to see it here, as well as many other top-end power amplifiers here on this channel. Thank you for your support, and do not forget to check out my website, jaysaudiolab.com. I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace.